Open your book to page 46. Today's lesson is on the fractions. A fraction is written in this way, so a over b. So the number on the top is called the numerator. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. The denominator cannot be 0, so you cannot have a 0 on the bottom. Now the meaning of the fraction is, suppose you have a pizza and you divide it into 4 slices, okay? And so if you have, so this is the slice over here. So this is equal to 1 out of 4. So this is 1 slice of pizza out of total 4 pieces. Okay. So the numerator is how many pieces you have, and denominator is like how many total pieces are there. So this 1 over 4 means 1 piece out of the 4. And the same thing if you have like a 2/3, for example. So in this case, this would be 1/3 because this is 1 slice out of the 3. Now, when you cut these, right, you have to cut into the equal sizes, right? Okay. And so again, when you the fraction means division. Okay. So now we're saying that this is 1 out of 4, 1 divided by 4, so you get 1/4. Now let's go over how to reduce. So you need to know how to reduce fractions. So for example, so this is same as 2 out of 8. So when you have 2 over 8, you can reduce. So 2 out of 8 is same as that if you were to cut the pizza into 8 slices. Okay, so you can see that. So 1 out of 4 is same as 2 out of the 8. Okay, and the same thing. So if you were to cut this more, so you can see that 1/3 is equal to 2 over 6. Right? So notice that you can reduce. So if you divide this by 2, divide this by 2, you get 1/3. So now you cut each slice into 2. So 1 slice becomes 2 slices, and the 3 slices become 6. Right? So now you got 2 out of 6. So notice they're the same. Right? And so from here you can see you can learn how to reduce the fraction. Okay? So for example, if you have 8 over 2, then both are divisible by 2, so you can cancel this out. So the answer equal to 4. So you need to know how to reduce that. Okay? And if you have like, for example, if you have 36 over 4, and again you can reduce, so it becomes 1, right? Divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 9. So answer equal to 9. So this is how you reduce some of the fractions. And you also need to know about fractions. So if you have so this is the mixed number. So if you have like a 2 and 1/2, so this is the mixed number. And if you convert that, so this becomes 5 over 2. So you multiply 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 give you 5. Okay, so it's 5 over 2. Now what it's saying is this. The reason that this is equal to 5 over 2 is that this means 2 pizzas. Okay, so you got 2. So you got 2 whole pizzas, and you got 1/2. Right? So 2 and 1/2 is these. Right? And so if you make this is called an improper fraction. So to do that, so the reason you have to times it by 2 is because each pizza is is dividing into 2 slices, right? So this is what it's doing. Okay, so that's why you have to multiply. So there are 2 pizzas, and each one is cut into 2 slices. So 2 times 2 give you 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is right over here. Okay. And that's why it's 5 over 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what fraction is. So again, get a good understanding of the fraction, and and know how to operate with a fraction.